Namaste, how are you guys? And finally, DIY room decor is here. I am so excited. I know a lot of people out there are like, not good with craft. So I made this DIY especially for people who are not good with craft and also people who are under budget because I think I have made everything under 500 rupees. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Also, if you're new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are so close to 100k, so come join the family of Dhwani and yeah. Now, without further ado, we should just get started with this video. For the first DIY, we will take few wooden skewers and cut them in the sizes that are mentioned on the screen. I used X-Acto knife to cut them. Be very careful while doing this. Then take 15 centimeter ones and form a square. And then just hot glue all the pieces together. This will be the base. Now take 20 centimeter ones and glue them on top of the square and just angle the top of the stick towards the center of the square. Glue all the pieces together by applying a generous amount of glue on one stick and stick all the pieces together. Once it's done, add a little extra glue on the top to secure it completely. Now take 9.6 centimeter ones and glue them in between the sides. And lastly, take the 4.6 centimeter ones and glue them as well, and you are done. If you want, you can go ahead and paint this with the color of your choice, but I decided to keep it simple. For the flowers, you will need crepe paper in the color of your choice. And for this, you will just open the paper completely and fold it in half and cut it and put both the pieces on top of each other and then fold it in half again and cut it and do that one more time and you'll end up with this. Then we'll just fold that as well and cut that in 4 equal parts. Each part of this will make one flower, so you can make 4 flowers out of one sheet. You just take one part and fold it like a hand fan. And if there is any extra paper, then cut it out and use a pipe cleaner and tie it around in the center like so. Don't forget to keep 1 inch of pipe and cut the extra out. Then cut the paper from both the sides like a triangle. And once that's done, then just open the paper like so and you can see a flower shape forming. Then just take one piece of paper and lift it up like you can see in the video. Do this very gently and keep lifting the pieces together till you reach the end, and then you just have to shape it a little and your flower is ready. So I made 8 flowers in pink, 4 in white and 4 in blue. You can customize this however you like. Then I used jute cord, but you can even use ribbons or any other cord, and then just measure and cut the cord in the size that you need. Tie it horizontally first and then tie another cord vertically and attach the flower by tying the cord with the pipe cleaner. To secure this even further, put some tape behind. This will also help to lift the flower, and then fold the pipe cleaner. And then you just have to repeat the step till all the flowers are up. So I didn't put the flowers in any particular order. I just went randomly, but if you want, you can always plan and customize this to your liking. Once you are satisfied, just cut the extra cord from the top to give it a even more finished look and use the tape to lift the flowers and you are done. I love the way this completely transformed my plain white wall. For the next DIY, you'll need 2 metal rings. You can even use embroidery rings, and you'll need some yarn in the color of your choice. Take the yarn and measure the length that you need and double it and then cut it. It's best if you cut it a few inches extra. Then just keep doing this till you have enough yarn. I use the entire pack. And I also did the same thing with yellow and pink yarn, except I didn't use the whole pack. Then take the ring and the yarn and fold the yarn in half and pass it through the ring and tie it. For that, you'll just have to place the yarn under the ring and bring it over the ring, and then just take the loose ends and pass it through. I know I'm really bad at explaining, so here's a close up. It's not that complicated. Repeat this till your ring is like 40% covered. I did the same thing with yellow and pink as well. Then take both the rings and few strings of yarn in the color of your choice, and then tie the ring together. By the way, we are using the same method here. Now this step is optional, but I took a wooden skewer and glued it on the ring to make it look even more fancy. Then I took a really tiny ring, it's actually from a keychain, and I just passed it through the yarn, and then I took another yarn and wrapped it around and tied it and just cut off the extra. And then you can stop here, but since it was looking too much pink, I just went ahead and wrapped a grey and yellow yarn as well. Not sure if I like it like that, but it's better than all pink. Now just hang it, and then comes the most satisfying part. You have to give it a haircut. So cut all the yarn of equal length, and while doing this, don't go all crazy. Cut it short first and see what looks good, and once you're satisfied with the haircut, you are done. So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you decide to recreate anything, any DIY from this video, please don't forget to share the pictures with me on my Facebook, Twitter or Instagram account with the hashtag DIY with Dhwani, and you can get a chance to be featured. And also I have like 3 other DIY ideas already in my head, so if you want to see a part 2 for this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get this video to say 5,000 thumbs up. If that happens, I'll post another DIY room decor. So give it a big fat thumbs up right now and comment down below and let me know your favorite DIY from this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye!